We've all been there, right? Staring at a bug, just completely stuck. Well, what if that whole experience is about to become a thing of the past? Today, we're going to dive into something that honestly feels like science fiction. We're talking about a new era where our tools don't just help us write code, they actually go in and fix it for us. This is all about automated debugging with the Playwright MCP server and GitHub Copilot.
Okay, seriously, just take a second and imagine this. For anyone who's ever lost hours, maybe even a whole day chasing down some mysterious bug, what if you could just describe the problem and an AI agent would go hunt down the cause, write the fix, and then prove that it works, all by itself? Because we all know that feeling, the debugging drudge. Plowing through endless lines of code, scrolling through console logs, staring at network tabs. It's this painful process of elimination that can just bring your productivity to a dead stop. But a new approach is turning that lonely, manual hunt into an automated partnership. And that is the absolute core of this shift. We're moving away from that old manual workflow. You know, the one, it's slow, it's repetitive, and it's all on us. The new AI-powered workflow, though, it isn't about replacing you, the developer. It's about giving you a seriously powerful partner. The whole process becomes fast, automated, and genuinely collaborative. So you're probably asking, how on earth is this even possible? Well, the magic ingredient is a piece of tech called the Playwright MCP server. The best way to think of it is like a special translator, or a bridge. It gives an AI agent like Copilot the eyes and hands to interact with a live web app, just like a person would. It can click things, see errors, dig into the code, and even check to see if the fix it just came up with actually works. All right, let's see how this plays out in the real world. We're going to give Copilot a simple bug report and just watch it play detective. The agent gets its mission, it makes a little to-do list for itself, and then it gets right to work, investigating the crime scene, our buggy app. And what's so amazing here is how methodical it is. This isn't just random guessing. First, Copilot uses Playwright to confirm the bug is real. In this case, a filter isn't working right. Then, it quickly checks the front-end code and the network calls. Nope, nothing wrong there. So through just simple logical deduction, it narrows the problem down to the only suspect left, the backend code. And here it is, the aha moment. After systematically ruling everything else out, Copilot scans the backend code and boom, it finds the culprit. And it's not some super complex logic error, it's a simple typo. An error a human could spend hours looking for is found by the AI in just a few moments. But, you know, finding the bug is only half the battle. The agent's job isn't over yet. Now it shifts gears from discovery to deployment, all without a developer having to do a single thing. So, with that typo found, Copilot doesn't just write up a report and call it a day. No, it takes action. It immediately generates the exact line of code needed to fix that backend error. But how does it know the fix actually worked? This right here is the critical step. It doesn't just assume it's right. Copilot goes back to Playwright and runs that first test all over again, confirming that the filter is now working exactly like it's supposed to. That's live validation, and it closes the loop instantly, guaranteeing the bug is well and truly gone. And just like that, bug squashed. Mission accomplished. The Copilot agent even updates its own internal checklist, marking the task as done. It's a completely autonomous end-to-end problem-solving loop. Pretty incredible. Now, it's really easy to see all this and just think, okay, cool, it's just automated testing. But the implications here are actually so much bigger. This tech represents a really fundamental change in how we build and maintain software. So let's just pull this all together. What we're seeing goes way beyond simple automated testing. By enabling live validation of its own code changes, it transforms Copilot from just a suggestion tool into a true AI development partner. And the result? It accelerates the entire development lifecycle, from the initial bug report all the way to a deployed fix. Which really leaves us with one final big thought. As these AI partners get better and better at taking care of the tedious, time-sucking parts of our jobs, it frees us up. We get to focus on the bigger picture, on creativity, on innovation. So I'll just leave you with this. What will you build when your AI partner handles the bugs?